Welcome back. If your Urdu pronunciation still sounds slightly off, it's usually because of missing heavy sounds. Today, we complete the full heavy letter system with clean mouth technique and practice drills. Let's continue. Here is a quick reminder of our previous lesson. This is the lesson number 2, and I am talking about lesson number 1, in which we have learned soft sound and the heavy sounds definition. Soft letters are normal sounds. When we pronounce heavy letters, they sound plus breath, just like bay and bhe. For example, bay and bhe. This is the simple sound and this is its heavy sound. Be and bhe. Let's start our today's video. I will continue with the pair number 6 before I have described pair number 1 to 5 in the previous lecture. If you have missed our previous lecture, go to the video and watch that first. Let's continue the video. Our pair number 6 is sound of CH. Sound of CH. CHAY. Chay. I will write here. It's Urdu. Alphabet Chay. And its heavy sound is Chay. Chay. Feel the difference. J and Chay. I'm writing it's Urdu Chay. J, Chay. The soft sound of Chay is soft and quick, but the heavy sound is extra air or extra breath. We will practice. This is the soft sound in Urdu, Chay, and its hard sound is Chay. Now we have soft sound in English is CHAY, Chay, and the hard sound is CHHAY, Chay. The word CHAI, Chai, means tea, and the words CHHATRI, Chhatri, means umbrella. We have our pair number 7. The softy sound is DAAL. Daal. Daal in Urdu, we will write it here, Daal. But the heavy sound of Daal is DHAL. Daal. Daal. Now I will write its Urdu here, Daal and He. The. Daal, Ddaal. Daal, Ddaal. The soft sound of Daal is quick and soft, but the heavy sound of Daal is with extra air or extra breath. Now we will practice of writing. This is the soft sound in Urdu, Daal, and its hard sound is Daal. Daal, Ddaal. And here is the soft sound of Daal, and the hard sound is Ddaal. Now we will write Dil in soft sound. It means heart, and Dhua in hard sound, and that means smoke. Now you can feel the difference between the soft sound and heavy sound of dal. Repeat after me. Dal, dal. Dal, dal. We have pair number 8, that is hard D sound. Previously we have discussed soft D sound. Now we will discuss hard D sound. The soft D sound is dal, dal, and the same letter in English but the different in Urdu. This is the dal, the hard sound of D, and the heavy sound is dhal, dhal is equal to dhal, and we have hey here. Repeat after me. Dal, dhal, dal, dhal. The soft sound is quick and fast and soft also, but the heavy sound we will feel the extra breath by saying the word dal. Simple word is dal in Urdu and its hard sound is dhal, but in English it is dal and the hard sound is dhal. Now repeat after me. Dal, dhal, dal, dhal. We have two words here. First we have soft dal, dabba, and the English meaning is box. Now we have the hard sound dhol, and that means drum in English. So repeat after me. Dabba and dhol, dabba and dhol, dal and dhal. These are the soft and heavy sound of hard D. We have pair number 9, and that is K, the K sound. Okay, in soft sound we will say K, A, K, but we will pronounce it Kaaf. In Urdu we say Kaaf to letter K. Kaaf, and its Urdu is here Kaaf. Now we will write heavy sound of alphabet Kaaf, that is K, and in Urdu we will write it here like this, K. Kaaf, K. This is important that this is not the deep throat K. This is K plus breath. Kaaf, K. Kaaf, K. This is Kaaf, and the hard sound is K. In Urdu, it's Kaaf and K. Kaaf sound will make the word kitab. Its meanings are book, but the K sound will make khana, and its English is food. Repeat after me. Kaaf, K. Kaaf kitab, K khana. Now we have final pair, that is G, the Gaaf sound. The soft sound of Gaaf is G, A, F. Gaaf, and the Urdu is Gaaf here. But its heavy sound is Gha, is Ghay. Ghay, Ghay, and its Urdu is just like the K. This is Ghay. Gaaf, Ghay. Gaaf, Ghay. The soft sound of Gaaf is soft and quick, but the heavy sound is with extra breath or extra air. Gaaf, heavy sound, is Ghay. And the English is Gaaf, Gaaf, and the heavy sound is Ghaf, Gaaf. The words we will make from it are Ghar, it means house. Gadi, car. Now repeat after me. Gaaf, Ghay, Gaaf, Gadi, Ghay, Ghar. This is the time for final drill. We have learned from the lesson the heavy sounds. Repeat heavy set with me. Today we have learned Chay, Daal, Ddaal, Chay, and Ghay. Repeat all these sounds 3 times for better understanding. Comment heavy mastered and I will send the full heavy letter worksheet and drills. Subscribe for the next lesson, throat sound and deep Urdu letters. The final step forward native lever pronunciation. Practice smart, not fast. See you in the next video.